How to find random lives on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find random lives on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the TikTok application, please visit your App Store or your Play Store and check if TikTok is up to date. If not, just click on the update button to update your app and you will have the latest features within the app, especially on finding random lives on TikTok. After you have made sure of that, just go on and open the TikTok app. And first thing that you need to make sure is to be on your home page or For You page. If you're on any other page, for example, if you're currently on the profile page, just click on this home icon at the bottom left corner, so you will be at the For You page. After that, just click on this live icon at the top left corner, and immediately this is where you can actually find the random lives that are currently going on TikTok right now. Click on that and it will load random lives on TikTok, even from users that you do not follow. So you just have to swipe up to scroll through the random lives that are currently going on TikTok, and you can just watch a specific TikTok that you want and just add a comment if you want, and also choose to like that. Just double tap and you can like that specific live video and comment as well. And you can also choose to gift some like items to the user that is currently going on live, like that, and that will cost you money actually. And you can also choose to follow that certain user by clicking on this follow icon beside their username at the top part of the screen. That is how you can basically find random lives on TikTok. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.